Being a generalist in anything is really hard, especially in the digital marketing agency and SaaS space, because there's hundreds of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of competitors doing very, very similar stuff to you. I would make sure as you're growing your agency to take a look at who your best clients are and make sure that you have a marketing strategy in place in order to go get more of those best and ideal clients. I would take your offer and couple that with GoHighLevel to build a solution and a wall around your business to not just generate leads for them, but more particularly create the solution in the SaaS side that is industry specific to them. So then that way they're more likely to stay with you longer and refer you more business. Your ideal clients are out there. They're working with some other company. They may, unfortunately, just not know who you are or what you offer. In this video, I'm going to share my strategy on how I would package together an ideal agency service offering, the core offers, along with a GHL solution to get more of your ideal clients. But before we get started, I want you to go through a quick exercise, write down some notes. You can also do this after the video, but take a look at the best 10 clients you've ever had. The ones that have been with you the longest, the ones that have paid you the most, the ones that have honestly been the easiest clients to work with. And then I want you to take a look at your last 10 clients and write down the common characteristics between the best 10 and then the last 10. And if you're just getting started and you only have a couple clients, just use whatever number you have. But write down the characteristics. Write down how much revenue they do per year, what specific industry they're in, where they're located in the population of that city. Write down how many employees they have, how many years in business they've been, if I haven't said that one already. And then write down, this is my ideal client profile. We only work with roofers who do over $1 million a year that are in populations of 100 to 250,000 people. They've been in business for at least 3 years. They have X number of employees and so on. And make sure that you're not recently taking on a bunch of clients that don't fit that mold. But once you have, this is who my ideal client is, this is now where the fun starts. We now craft an offer that's different from every other agency that's out there because you're combining GoHighLevel in the SaaS to whatever your agency offers are with website design, social media management, SEO, paid ads, etc. That is what's going to get you to the next level. So I would venture to say you might not be that clear and detailed on who your ideal client current client is, and or if you do, you might be selling to multiple different industries right now with multiple different offers. So take a look at typical agencies offering exactly what I just talked about, SEO, web design, social media management, versus agencies that also offer GoHighLevel attached to it. Those are two completely different agency offerings. It's difficult to separate yourself from the competition these days. It's very, very difficult because there's so many options that are out there. By niching down and having a specific agency plus SaaS offer to keep people around longer, increase your lifetime value, decrease your churn, it's a win-win for everybody. The biggest thing that clients always complain about is, hey, I can't follow up with these leads. I don't know if these leads are working. These leads suck. Well, by attaching GoHighLevel to your agency, you take care of all of that. You have the agency services, you have GoHighLevel, and with that comes the follow-up and the automations to capitalize on all the amazing leads that your agency is generating for your clients. So if you're not currently using GoHighLevel and you're curious to see how this works and how this can go and play, I got a perfect offer for you. There's a free and extended 30-day free trial in the description of this video with special offers from our Builders of Authority program that can help you not just package everything together, but how to go find more of your ideal clients. Take a look at that 30-day free offer, and then also join our free Facebook group where we have so much incredible information on how to become the authority in your industry. I am the marketer for roofing companies doing X, Y, and Z. We want to help you get more of your ideal clients. Join the group, take advantage of that free offer, and remember, authority isn't built overnight, it's built over time.